Alright, boys, we found us a groundhog down here, but now he stands up in that grass yonder and he lays down. He's going to be at least 121 yards. He comes back out on that other side over there. He's getting a 140 range, 140 yard range. There's a whole sinkhole down there. See that? I've seen that groundhog twice, but there's some traffic on this road over here to my left. He's sort of spooky. Could see him stand up in that camera anytime. We're going to work on him. Wind's light. It seems like what's out here is coming in my face at times. 17 Hm2, boys. We're going to try that groundhog. He'll slip up here. It's starting to cool off. He'll go to eat better. Yeah, he's standing up down there. 136 yards. You'll see him in this camera, maybe. Right in there. He's right in there. You see him standing up in the center of the camera right there. Alright, boys. I held him away to the left. He hit the ground. I could see that tail quivering. A left or right wind in here, but I like what you see in that cigarette smoke there, maybe. Get that camera out of focus. That's a pretty good shot there, the way that groundhog acted. And that's dialed up 2 3/4 MOA. I'm waiting to see if there's another one down there. I haven't seen no action. We're going to take this side by side down in that field and go see if we can find him. He's right in front of like some concrete in that hole. He's standing in front of that concrete right there. Boy, that's rough down there. I don't know if I can get to that groundhog. I might be able to get him in the camera though. He ought to be dead down there the way he acted, but I could be wrong. Well, I like I never found this groundhog. I finally seen him. I seen him in this camera. I turned underneath that old root there. They're down in that hole right there. See him in there? Let's see if I can get him out of there. Alright, here you go. Look at this old groundhog, boy. That's a head buster right there. See where it's come out on one side of where? See right there. Old head buster. That's a good shooting little gun, boys. Good shooting gun. Well, the buzzers will get him.